Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to another episode of Generation Oldschool. My name is William and this is my friend Edwin. And today we're filming his 1955 Ford F100. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, be sure to give this video a like and also follow us on social media. The link is gonna be in the description box down below.
Hi guys. Well, this is my 1955 Ford F100. I started with the car in 2011. Got it from Hialeah. Was driving in the street and found it. Bought it for $5,000. And basically, I thought it was going to be an easy restoration, but it really took me 7 years. I started with thinking that I was just going to put an engine in it, but I went to a frame-off restoration. Did everything from the front bumper. We did a custom bumper for the truck. LED lights. My good friend David Safuto from DC Customs actually painted the car. He actually did a frame-off restoration with it. And Juan Ibarra was actually the one that built the truck for me. We did custom side skirts. The big fender in the back. We actually went with racing tires, Mickey Thompson's. Really like 14, 16 inches in the back. Then in the back of the truck, we wanted to show some of the work that was done to it with an air ride. We put an Accuair in it. Everything was custom made by Juanqui Build. The wood, actually, it is not wood. It's actually metal. Everything on the truck, it was just hand painted to perfection to show like wood. The rails are actually acrylics, and we went with a set of screws that we actually got from Japan, believe it or not. We wanted to do a two-tone color in the frame. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's actually blue and gray. We boxed in all the frame. And that actually was done also by David.
Very nice truck, man. And the immense amount of details that you guys put into the build is just incredible. This has to be by far one of the best Ford F100 that I have ever seen in person.
Thank you. Then we decided we didn't want to shine a lot with a lot of chrome, but we left some chrome in the inside and obviously all the screws in the car. I decided to go with that automatic transmission on the car. It does has like AC. It has Bluetooth. Dakota Digital also installed in the dash. The Flaming River steering wheel. And obviously a custom bench, so somebody that is 6 feet can fit in it easy with no problems. We decided to do a black and blue trim. I don't know if you can see in the upholstery, but we left a Ford logo in the seats, and that's actually made with suede.
And over here we got suede as well.
Yes.
Can we see what you got under the hood?
Yes. Let's open the hood. This actually, I had the engine before actually the truck. I had it in the 1968 fastback, and I sold the fastback because I decided to go with the truck and move the 347 stroker into the truck. I was telling the story that I actually initially I put an EFI system, but I noticed that I like carburetors better, believe it or not. No problems, and car starts every time, more reliable, yeah. And obviously, I don't know if you guys are going to see the burnout, but pretty fast too.
Yeah, we did a burnout when we first got here, before we started the video.
Yeah.
And the car performs, I mean, incredibly amazing.
It has 450 horsepower.
Wow.
To the wheel. So Obviously, I don't run it that much, but everything was made custom for the truck. The radiator actually sent it. I don't remember the name of the company, but they made it in California for me.
It's custom made for the truck.
Yeah.
Something that I don't want it to go unnoticed is the Accuair suspension. I'm so focused on filming that I don't know if you mentioned it, but if you did, I would like to go over that.
Basically, whenever you turn the car on, the car goes to level 2.
Automatically.
That's automatically. Yeah, because at the beginning, if you're not used to it, I was scratching the bumpers and hitting small stuff, so that helps you. It's like a safety. And obviously, if you turn on the car is going to go down. Or you can do it manually, both ways. But that's option number 2.
And you went with Accuair E-Level?
Yes, it has the E-leveling. The control is actually installed in the dash. I also went ahead because I did not want to drive in Miami with no AC, with the venti chair system. Put as much vents as I could. And GL audio system, it has a Bluetooth system. I mean, I don't have a radio, but you connect it to your iPhone and actually you can listen to any music that you want. I went with a subwoofer in the back. Let me actually open it for you. Had the amp and a 10-inch in there, and mids and highs in the front, obviously.
Got it. So there's no radio, but there's Bluetooth connectivity.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Let me start the car so you guys can hear it.
Edwin, and for those that are watching the video, you're selling the truck.
Yes. I'm going to, well, the goal is actually to put it in eBay this Sunday, actually, the 14th of this month. So I don't know if it's going to happen, but my brother, actually, he has vintage U-Pick, and he's going to place it in eBay this weekend.
Okay.
No reserve. I was telling you that, I mean, there's no fear. I mean, we're going to put it in there, and if it goes for 10 grand, it goes for 10 grand. If it goes for 100 grand, that's what I want.
Welcome.
Or more, he's welcome. You know what I mean?
That's
so
right.
whatever we can get for it, it's going to sell no matter what.
Exactly. So there you go. The car is going to go on eBay, like Edwin mentioned, on, if I'm not mistaken, that's a
February the 14th. Yeah.
Sunday, February 14th, on eBay, no reserve. So everybody has a chance and an opportunity to own this beautiful truck. One of a kind, built by...
Wonky build.
Wonky build, yeah. And one thing that we cannot go without noticing is the big back window.
Yes. Oh, that's something, obviously. I thought about it a lot whenever I was getting it, because this is in 1955. The big window came in the 56, but it's something that I wanted. And it was money well spent. The window looks amazing. I think it makes the whole truck, really.
It does. It does. You feel like you are inside a fish tank when you're driving.
Whenever you're in it, yes.
Something that I don't think we mentioned is the tailgate. It's also custom made, as we see.
Yeah.
With custom made tail lights as well.
Correct. I mean, everything, even to the, let me show you. Even to the gas tank was powder coated, the cap. But I mean, this piece is metal, acrylic, metal in the front. I decided to just dump the exhaust system, so it was a more clean look in the outside.
Yeah.
The Accuair's computer is right here.
Very nice. Very nice truck.
I don't know if you saw the shaft is actually made out of carbon fiber, and the rear end, that actually was custom made for the truck, exact size that I needed on the truck, and the rear end is actually a 9-inch also.
Very nice. And you mentioned that the shaft is carbon fiber.
Yes.
So it weighs nothing.
Correct. And it was balanced to perfection.
Very nice. So this car is made with using the best technology out there.
Yes.
There was no money saved when it came to building this.
No,
truck.
because it was a goal that I wanted. I wanted to have the truck, and I wanted to be perfect.
Exactly.
That's what I wanted. That was the goal.
So there you have it, guys. If you want to buy this truck, this is going to be a truck that you're going to be able to have for the rest of your life. Edwin, anything else that you want to add up in the video?
Well, good luck. I mean, look for it this coming week and try to win it.
Exactly.
I'm guessing. I mean, anyways, it's a good investment. That's what I'm telling you, because
the value on these cars
is
only
going to retain. Yeah, it's never going to go down.
Exactly. So the link of the eBay bidding or auction is going to be in the description of this video. So just click on it and it's going to take you there. And good luck. And Edwin, thank you so much, man, for giving me the opportunity to film your truck.
No, thank you, thank you.
Be sure to follow Edwin on his social media, which is Ford the Haters, right?
Yes.
So that you guys can see more pictures of the truck. I'm pretty sure he has more pictures of the build in there as well. So thank you, guys. God bless you all.